Hi.
Hi.
What you doing?
Dancing.
Okay, go.
Picture me.
Picture? That's Daddy. Wow. He's little. Tell Daddy. Daddy. Is that? Is that Daddy? Oh, what's that? Nice. That's funny.
She's a baby. We have diapers.
Where's the diaper? Where's the diaper?
There.
Where?
What is that?
That's a sun.
It's a sun. Nice sun.
It's Ruthie.
Oh, is that your Tita Ruthie?
That's me over there.
And where's Mommy?
This is Mommy.
And Daddy?
Over there.
Oh, Daddy. Oh, is that Daddy? Daddy, look at you. Parang ikaw na ikaw lang, Daddy. Oh, ha?
Don't talk.
Okay,
This
sorry.
is Ruthie and this is Chipmunk.
Chipmunks?
This is yourself.
Jesus? Is that Jesus? Oh.
And there's Fishy, Tricious, and there's Alice. And
You have a big sun.
this is, oh, I got.
What?
I got you the grass.
Huh?
I got the grass.
The grass?
She's drinking apple juice and drinking milk and
Why?
because she's hungry.
The sun is drinking because
Because she's tired.
he's tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then she knows to go outside and the sun's going to play with me.
The sun is going to play with you.
The sun's going to fall in a tree and she's saying, stop. And I'm going to find her in my tree. In my neighbor's tree. The apple tree.
The apple tree. The puno. Ooh, what's that?
It's an apple tree.
That's an apple tree.
Look, it's apple. Kitty boy, get the apple.
Who's that?
She get the apple.
Who?
Kitty.
Ruthie, Tita.
Tita Ruthie get the apple.
Tita Ruthie get the apple. Wow.
And that's her father.
Who's that again? You point.
Her sister, father, And that's Chris.
That's Chris?
Uh-huh.
Ah.
Muna's up there.
Munas?
There.
Nice. Tita Ruthie has a baby. Where's the baby?
Over there.
Ah, that's so cute. So that's Chris, Tito Chris, that's Tita Ruthie and their baby, right?
Right.
Okay, good job.
Noses.
Wala na nga add, anak.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ang dami na eh. Ano yan?
Dirt.
Ha?
Storm clouds.
Storm cloud?
Uh-huh.
Oh no. Thank you.
Thank you. Tifachi! Hello there.
Say have a nice day.
Have a nice day. You see me?
Yeah. Oh no, you have a big nose.
Big nose.
Okay, say bye. I don't do that. Okay.